Skylar, did you eat dinner all by yourself? Take a bite. Are you a big girl? Let me see. Here you go. There you go. Good job, Skylar. Mmm. Is that good? Oh no. Skylar, why'd you do that? Is it good? You want some water? Here's some water. You're messy. You made a mess. Okay, bye-bye.